My name's Greg Jones with Innovative Access. We're at Flagstone Ranch right now. What we have is a situation where we built a pilaster. We completely refurbished their phone system here, which is a Door King 1837. We also put in a RFID reader, and it's on the right side of the entry lane. What we did is we put a SureFi module in here. The reason why we did it is because we don't have access to put hardwire from the phone to the RFID reader. So by doing the SureFi, this is very cost effective, and it's 100% workability. It works. We do this quite a bit. But what it's doing is it's sending data from the RFID reader over to the phone in order to grant access through the gates. Let me show you. This is a tag. This is a hang tag. I will present this to the reader. It'll pick me up at probably about 25 feet from it. There you go. Gates will go open. I do this a lot. It works. I use the SureFi module on a lot of different applications. For apartments, if I have readers at the back of the property, it works. They do have a test system that you can use to see if the SureFi, if the 900 megahertz will work across the property, and we do that. We'll test them before we actually install them, but it works, and it works good.
So, how long does it generally take you to install a SureFi unit?
Maybe an hour. Installation time, probably an hour at best. Some of them are lower, less than that. It just depends on where the controller is and what we have to do there. But it's pretty easy. SureFi is pretty easy to put in. It just requires power at the remote and power at the receiving, and then data wires from your controller, and that's it. That's all it takes. So it's a matter of 2 for power, 3 for data, and that's all it takes.